Hello guys, this is Mridula here and we are in our YouTube channel Learn Astronomy and Epic with Mridu, and today's topic will be Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is named by the Roman messenger god. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury's orbit is not a perfect circle. The planet can pass as close as 29 million miles and as far as 43 million miles from its original place. Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system, speeding along at 29 miles per second and completing each orbit around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, measuring just 3,000 miles wide in the equator, just larger than Earth's moon, slightly. So, Mercury is so small to see through a naked eye, but sometimes Mercury can be visible during the dawn and dusk because of its position in the solar system, passes between the Earth and Sun 13 times in a century, which is known as transit. During the transit event of the Mercury, people on Earth can see in a silhouette. Since the ancient times, while people see the sky, they have noticed planets sometimes appearing to move backwards or shifting from east to west. These are illusions created by one planet when it moves faster than the other one. So when someone stands on the surface of the Mercury, they would see the sun start to rise and and rise again in the same day. Mercurial origins. Mercury was born about 4.5 billion years ago from the dust and the gas left over after the sun's formation. Mercury is also known as a terrestrial planet with a dense metallic core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. Despite being the next planet after the sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system because there is no atmosphere to trap heat. Surface temperatures on Mercury can swing about 426.667 degrees Celsius at the day and minus 178.889 degrees Celsius at the night. As when Venus has a very thickly dense atmosphere, Venus traps much heat from the sun and hence it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Lack of atmosphere also means that Mercury's surface is pockmarked by numerous impact craters since the incoming meteors don't encounter any friction that would cause them to burn up. Seen through telescopes and spacecraft, Mercury's look like a battered world cover in overlapping basins, snoring cliffs, and occasionally smooth plains. So Mercury has no rings, no moons, and relatively a very weak magnetic field. Missions to Mercury. NASA's Mariner 10 was the first spacecraft to visit Mercury, conducting a series of 3 flights in 1974 and 1975. During this mission, Mariner 10 photographed about 45% of the planet's surface. A NASA's mission called the Mercury Surface Space Environment Geochemist and Tracking Messenger became the first probe to orbit Mercury in March 2011. It investigated the planet's composition, the structure of its core, and its magnetic field in addition to capture the global images of the surface in multiple wavelengths. The mission ended up with a planned impact on the Mercury surface in April 2015. In 2018, the European Space Agency is set to launch a Bepicolombo mission which will use 2 orbiters to further study the innermost planet inside and out. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share for this video. I hope you learned more information from this video on Mercury. Have a spectacular day. Thank you.